I'm bringing back an oldie and a goodie, maybe two oldies and goodies. I call this game Turn It Up. We'll keep it with 8 still, just for now. Your first 4 is mellow and spaced. And then your second 4, you turn it up, and then it could be, more fast paced, or it could be more intense.
You could go up an octave or something.
Yeah. Ooh, so however you want to like.
Bars?
If you want to do that. If you want to do it like that, you could, however you want to interpret Turn It Up, it's open to interpretation. It will say turn it up, and then we'll say down. So you have an intentionally down cadence, whatever that means to you, right? That sets you up for their second 4 bars where you turn it up, and then you have a up cadence, which, whatever that means to you. Faster rhythms, maybe more intense delivery, maybe, I don't know, you can play with it. But really it's just playing with the intentional contrast and just putting our awareness on our flows. Then we go with this one, just because it's mid-tempo, mid-ish enough. All right, and turn it up. So,
do Nate?
That's the name of the game. Okay, what we talking about? I don't know what they talking about, but that's okay. Just keep my name out your mouth, cause you know when them thing comes out, them things be coming out. Those things be popping off. I told you paid the cost. We never lost. I told you I will fly. It do not die. I know we be so free. Come on, SIMC. Hey.
I find myself stuck in a bookshelf. So gotta pick myself up. Maybe just dust the old shelf. But I gotta get off of that old note. Maybe then I could just go broke. Maybe then I could go to the library self. Maybe then they could just check my own brain out. But I can't get there because I'm insane now.
I get recommended a lot of books. If I'm being honest, I don't really love to read. But it's all good cause I never gonna be a crook. Never a nigga caught up in chasing all of the greed. I'm always trying to be the most authentic version of me, but it's so much trying to get in my way, trying to disguise as the enemy. So F what they pretend to be. I know that they is endery, and I'm just trying to take a break, and I know that I'm in the P. What? I'm in the P.
Is it so wrong to be valued, to want to have people look at you and say nice things about you? Not steal from underneath, not steal within your sheets, not leave you in the street. I don't need you to say all these niceties. I don't need you to pretend like you're liking me. Just say what it is and leave it on the street. Because when it comes down to it, real is real meets me. Seriously.
Period. Running laps, cardio. Looking at hear my M audio. Overture coming soon on the mic. Never figured out why I'm writing like I ain't got no sense coming in, no dollars soon. I'm broke, bent. I ain't really trying to find my place. I'm just chilling in hell. I'm the villain, no race. I'm just
in the moment. Let me breathe, let me own it. I'm responsible for my ability. Dad's from Kansas and my mother's from Philly. So who am I supposed to be? Double Z, zigzag, cat, fanny pack, rap, shut your trap, open trap. I will go out the door. You see me before? If you see me out the stove, give me daps.
Give me daps.
I will.
We will.
Why these cats don't wanna dap in the street? No head, not no eye contact, looking meek. Just walking on by. I could have Lost one eye, but my third eye's coming. The beat is drumming, the sound is humming. That's a missile running through the air, and you know there's no cares. And we flow from the stairs to the top of the ceiling, and we go without a pair of Jordans hanging on the lines.
Ooh.
Yeah. Anyway.